As we shared in the main technique video, affinity grouping is a great way to help students brainstorm and organize their ideas. In this technique, students work together to generate ideas and then organize them by theme. Here's how you can implement affinity grouping in your online class. Identify a topic you would like explored. Ask students to individually brainstorm and write as many ideas as they can on the topic in a given time frame, such as 3 to 5 minutes. When the time is up, assign students to breakout rooms with a facilitator and recorder in each group. Have members share their ideas with one another and look for common themes. You may consider having them use interactive workspace software where they can use Post-it type notes to organize their ideas simultaneously. When time is up, bring students back to the full class and ask each group to report their idea groupings. This technique can be particularly helpful as students prepare for a larger assignment such as a research project. At the K. Patricia Cross Academy, we encourage you to try affinity grouping in your online class. Check out our free download for step-by-step instructions and additional guidance.